Hey there, welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the top 5 easy ways to make money online in 2024. Whether you're looking to supplement your income or transition to full-time entrepreneurship, these methods are sure to get you started on the right foot. Looking to voice your opinions and get paid for it? Join online focus groups on platforms like User Testing and iPoint Market Research. Earn anywhere from $50 to $300 or more for sharing your feedback. Leverage your expertise by hosting virtual workshops. Share your knowledge on Zoom or Google Meet and earn money while helping others. Turn clutter into cash by selling unused items on eBay. From clothes to collectibles, there's a market for everything. Affiliate marketing. Promote products or services you love and earn commissions through affiliate marketing. Join networks like Amazon Associates or share a sale to start earning. Remote customer service jobs. Find flexible customer service roles on platforms like Upwork. Work from home while earning money to support yourself. So there you have it. 5 simple ways to make money online in 2024. Whether you're navigating layoffs or seeking financial independence, these methods offer flexibility and opportunity. Don't wait. Start your online journey today. Thank you for watching the video. Please like the video, comment on it, share it, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel.